नमस्कार, सुप्रभात। समाचार के इस भाग में आप सभी का स्वागत है। कहते हैं कि प्रतिभा की कोई कमी नहीं, बस सही अवसर मिलने की जरूरत है। हमारे पास एक ऐसी कहानी है जो उमसुपी कॉलेज की एक युवा छात्र के अविश्वसनीय प्रतिभा और समर्पण को दर्शाती है। आइए एक नजर डालते हैं। उमसुपी कॉलेज की बीसीए की दूसरी सेमेस्टर की छात्र साइकात डे को कंप्यूटर विज्ञान और इंजीनियरिंग के क्षेत्र में उनकी उत्कृष्ट योगदान और उपलब्धियों के लिए भारत गौरव पुरस्कार से सम्मानित किया गया।
Regarding the criteria, I think they select those individuals who have made contributions and have remarkable achievements in the field of computer science or any other discipline as well. I received the award in online format in 30th of March. Inspiration is the college and my principal. Artificial intelligence has enhanced the ability to think and to solve problems for anyone, because in terms of debugging or writing codes, we can just refer to engines or chatbots and we get the solution without struggling on it for hours. Artificial intelligence has not become the artificial generalized intelligence, which is the thing it needs to replace humans, and that is days to come from now. And I think the job markets are not yet affected by AI.
साइकात का मानना है कि एआई ने समस्या समाधान क्षमताओं को बढ़ाया है और इसे नौकरी की परिदृश्य पर नकारात्मक प्रभाव नहीं पड़ेगा। वे आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस और डेटा साइंस पर ध्यान केंद्रित करते हुए कंप्यूटर साइंस की पढ़ाई करने की योजना बना रही है।
The KTK Foundation, situated at New Delhi, they organize this Bharat Gaurav Puraskar Certificate of Excellence every year, and they select individuals from different disciplines like computer science and other disciplines as well. And I got selected by Computer Society of India because I'm the life member there, and due to my cumulative effects of the work I did there, like writing articles, participating in their events, and doing many online courses from various institutes as well. So I think that's the reason I got it.
दूसरी ओर उमसुपी कॉलेज के प्रिंसिपल डॉक्टर मोहम्मद इरफान अहमद ने साइकात की प्रभाव को देखा और उन्हें बीसीए करने और स्वयं और कोर्सेरा जैसे ऑनलाइन कोर्स का अध्ययन करने के लिए मार्गदर्शन किया।
Actually, he studied class 12 science from here. From that time, I noticed that in this boy, there is some resource. He has talent. So, since the Umsripi College has started preparation towards opening a center for data science and artificial intelligence, so I instructed him to join this BCA course and taking minor subjects like mathematics and statistics, which are the foundation of data science. So he's doing very well, and he's very creative in learning, cognitive and innovative learning both. Yes, cognitive learning also he's accomplishing, and in innovative learning also. And many times he shows our wonders, some new some new programs he has written, some new algorithms he developed. And for example, I talk about the routine, and he developed the routine algorithm for routine and wrote program also. Like that, he has done some wonders. And then after then, I guided him to join many online courses through Swayam, through Coursera, and all. Then his level of learning is more advanced and more creative than what he is studying now. And moreover, the teachers in computer science department, they are very committed and they are very dedicated and competent also. And they know the objective of the college, what the college wants. But the thing is that the reality, I'm talking about the reality of the world, that AI is taking over humanity's job. So we have to upskill ourselves and we'll have to beat this competition, global competition. because it is something inevitable and it will happen. So we should have the preparedness for this.
What will be your message to the students?
My message to the students is, students should always focus what will be useful to them in their career growth and learning, and what is happening around the world. They should know the pace, sequence, and speed of development. Pace of development in the technology, global technology, particularly in artificial intelligence, data science, and all. So accordingly, what is happening, and tomorrow the entire job may be relocated somewhere.
साइकात डे की उपलब्धि कंप्यूटर विज्ञान के प्रति उनकी कड़ी मेहनत और समर्पण का प्रमाण है। उमसूपी कॉलेज की पहल और डॉक्टर अहमद के मार्गदर्शन ने साइकात की सफलता में महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाई है। इस वक्त के लिए बस इतना ही। मैं मन्ना संगमा आपकी अपनी लेटवा न्यूज से ऐसी जानकारी के लिए बने रहे हमारे साथ।